and welcome to Add More Zest. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got an unboxing for you today from DIYChoose. They were kind enough to send me these items so that I can show you all. So let's start with this one and see what we have in store today. What do we have? We have, a very nice sort of blue. I think it was the blue that attracted me. It probably was. But just a nice little calming, sat by the lake. It is 17 colours. It does not come with DMC codes. They're not on the packet and they're not on the canvas. And it is supposed to be a 30 by 30, but this looks like one of the smaller ones of it. Yes, it is just over 22.5 centimetres by 23 centimetres. So we have a very, very big border on this one. But you can see quite a bit of the image, considering it is a round and it is small. It does have quite a lot of shading, so I'm happy with the image. It comes with a standard toolkit, and then we're going to have a lot of blue diamonds. We may or may not have black, I'm not sure, but we definitely have some blues, quite a few different blues, and then some with a hint of a blue / a green, even more blues. Trying to work out if that's a little powder coating on the diamonds or whether it's in the bag. I'm not sure. But quite a few different shades of blue. All different varieties. It's blue heaven. It's what it is. So if you like your blues / your greeny turquoises, then this is a painting for you. But for a small one, I think that's pretty good detail that you can make out for the size and the price that it is anyway. And I like blue, so I'm always attracted to those. Number 2, I think this one feels a little bit bigger, but it might not be. Never know yet, because I can't remember what it was. Oh no, this one's still a 30 by 30. It is slightly bigger in the fact that it's not got as thick a border. They have given us DMC numbers with this one. Not on both sides. What they've actually done is they've given us the codes in big there and then the code smaller but with the DMC numbers down there. So you actually get the best of both worlds. That would look amazing with that 9 being replaced maybe with some glow in the dark. Little bit of a scattering, but we have a bear on a wander. We get some baggies with this toolkit, and it does have, say, 17 different colours. It is round, and we've got quite some bright colours as well as the muted in here. So we do have your burgundy, we do have your 310, 2 bags of. So there is quite a bit, of course, up here and down here, but we have some gorgeous pops of colour to go with. We've got some greens, gorgeous blues, some pop pinks, and then some tealy colours as well. So we'll definitely be able to, get a bit of colour in this painting as well as dealing with the likes of the 310 and all that black. But it's only a small painting, so it's not like we've got a mammoth one with loads of black. But yeah, that's pretty. I like that. And then we have the big one. Let's have a look at the big one. See if I can get in it. Can I get in the big one? I'm trying. Oh, there we go. Oh, this one is a multi-panel. As soon as I saw it through the back of the canvas then, I remembered. Have I got it the right way up? Yeah, they have. So this one has 5 panels. You get 2 toolkits. Let's see, can you sort of see what the image is? If it's going to focus, there we go. You may be able to see it clearer actually from the diamond painting itself. But we've sort of got an island and some water. I'm trying to work out if it was a full stream that was going down. Oh, it is, and a waterfall. So that's part of the waterfall. It's like rapids, but then we've got greenery and stuff on the side as well. You do get 1 key code to this side. It's got 29 colours, and they do go across them all. Are they all the same? Yeah, so you actually get the key on every single section of the painting, so you can cut this canvas up and deal with them as each individual ones, but you do only need to kit up once, which is kind of good. Let's have a look at the colourings. Get into this monster. Number 2 is 310. There is 2 bags of 310 across all 5 paintings, but look at that baby blue. So nice. Then we've got 310s. Of course, we're going to end up with quite a few greens in here, but we have got greys as well, which help. Nice pop of a bright green, and then of course some gorgeous blues to give us those waterfalls. Bit of mustard, some more greens and browns, and there's more browns and greens. And then pale sort of blue, that'll be in the water. Got some really nice blues there. And then some gorgeous sort of teal colours, as well as some browns. That'll be a fun painting to work on. I quite like working on multi-panels, in the fact that they're each their own individual small painting that you can feel as though you're accomplishing something, and they're manageable. You know, you can do them bit by bit, panel by panel, and feel like you're getting somewhere, but then when you put it all together, you've got that big painting. So if you're somebody that's wanting to maybe look into doing a bigger painting, but have only ever done small ones, the likes of a multi-panel could be what's right for you, because then you're keeping to the small but you're still doing something bigger, and then, you know, sky's the limit, off you go. So we have, I will put links below so that you can see the image quite clearly, because it's quite a long spread out piece, and I don't particularly want to cut it up because it's easier to store in pieces and easier to store in one piece and work on in pieces. But then we have the bear going for a wander, and the blues, the gorgeous blues. But I'll pop links down below, of course, to all of them. Thank you to DIYChoose for sending me these, and thank you to you guys for watching. I'll speak to you all again soon.